Look, I have 8 seconds to keep you engaged in this video. That's less than a goldfish. In 2024, I would have better luck teaching a goldfish Premiere Pro than I would you or me. That's why 12 video long playlists teaching you how to use Premiere Pro don't work anymore. Okay? Me and you don't get on with them. That is why I've made this video. This could genuinely be the only video you ever watch on Premiere Pro, and that's fine because you'll still be learning. And it's because you don't learn Premiere Pro from YouTube. You learn Premiere Pro from Premiere Pro. So all you really need are the basics, and here they are. Okay, basic number 1 is actually opening a project. So just literally press new project and call it something. Let's call it me. And in the bottom right, press create. Then you have this workspace. Okay, if you want to change your workspace, you can go up to Window, Workspaces, and you have loads here. Editing is the best one you're going to want. So press that. Okay, then you need to drop files into your video. It's easy. Drag and drop. Okay, let's do this one. Drag and drop it. Boom, done. Okay, you can add folders as well. They're called bins in Premiere Pro, and it's just a great way of organizing them. Okay, so let's put video in here. Let's label it again. Drag and drop. That's most of what this is. It's now in that file. Okay, that is your file panel. All that has been done in. Okay, the bottom left panel. The top left panel is your preview panel. Okay, this is where you can essentially view an individual file that isn't the whole timeline. Okay, drag and drop that in there. Your video's there. You can watch your file before you put it in. Okay, to put it in, drag and drop it down to your timeline. There you go. Okay, you can change how your timeline looks and sort of the size of it, ratio to your video, by these little panels here. Okay, then you will also notice that this is popped up here. This is the preview of your timeline. That's all you need to know. Okay, you have basic play buttons down here just to view it, and it's the same with this one on the left. This is your timeline. Okay, this is your actual video. Okay, so the top levels are video, the bottom ones are audio. That's all you need to know. Okay, and a few of the tools that are helpful is the razor tool. Okay, that's how you cut up a video. Just use the razor tool, move it around with the arrow tool. Easy as that. Okay, you're also going to want to add effects as well, most likely. So head up into Window, make sure Effect Controls and Effects are ticked, and you'll find them in this bottom left panel as well. Okay, effects, or just use those arrows to find it. Every effect is in here. Okay, I won't go into details with what they are, but just drag and drop. Okay, camera blur, drag and drop, blur the whole thing. To adjust the effects, head up into Effect Controls up here, and that you'll see it has been added here. Okay, that's the basics of editing a video. Okay, then to export it, you want to head up into File, make sure your timeline is selected, File, Export, Media. Then you have all of these settings. So you can choose the location, you can choose the name, so let's just call it me, and the format, don't worry too much about that, just keep it as H.264, and then just press export. Okay, look, that was fast, I know, but it's all you need for Premiere Pro. What I want you to do after this video, please, is just start editing. Okay, just have a go. If you want to do YouTube, TikTok, just for your friends, fine, just start. If you're scared or you're worried, start making like stupid videos of your friends, just comic videos, brain rot if you really want to start doing that, but just start editing. And you know what's going to happen? Your first video is going to be shit. Okay? But that's okay, because it was always going to be shit. Whether you watch 2 minutes or 2 hours, your first video is always going to be your first video. And it is always going to be shit. But you know what else will happen? You'll look at that video and go, how could I make that video better? Maybe it needs subtitles. So you'd head over to Google, because you already have your computer open, and you'd say, Google, how do I add subtitles in Premiere Pro? And you'll have a 20-second read. You'll go back to your edit and you'll implement it, okay? And you'll do that for that video, for the next video, for the next video, for the next video, and sooner or later you'll realise that you have this wealth of knowledge that you don't even really notice you were learning because you're just doing, okay? That is how you learn on Premiere Pro in 2024. You don't sit there for 2 hours, okay? It's about learning on the job rather than learning before the job, okay? Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.